Not much happening in container garden at the moment, but I will update you on those spring cabbages, and then we'll cut back that raspberry bush as well. So that's all that's in this planter. They've been taking a bit of a beating because those temperatures have been dropping really low, but considering we've had -4, they're still looking okay. We've just about finished picking these beetroot leaves as well, so I'm going to leave these and see what happens. Unfortunately, those French beans didn't pull through. They're not cold hardy plants at all, so that frost has finished them off. And the strawberries are finally finished, but they have done really well this year. And that's those other spring cabbages. They're a bit bigger than the ones I've just shown you, and considering the weather, they are looking okay. This T-Rex is starting to die back now. Basically, it'll lose every branch, and then we'll just be left with that trunk, and then it'll grow back even bigger next year. So what I'll do is I'll repot it in spring into something a little bigger. We have still got a bit of parsley on go though, and it doesn't look that bad. So looks like that is going to keep for next year. These peppers have all finished as well now. That's one that ripened but got left too long, so now it's no good. But again, we've done quite well out of those plants. And the apple trees have all started losing their leaves as well. And that's his golden raspberry bush, but that is now finished as well. So I'm going to cut it back. I've already took a few bits and bobs away from it, so there's no leaves on it whatsoever. But I'm going to cut it a bit farther back. Just want to take all these long parts away. So these tall ones I'm going to get rid of. Not sharpest pair of scissors in the world, those. I want that back as well. And I'm cutting them off at an angle. We've got some shorter ones here, but they're going to stay as they are. So taking it down quite a bit to where it were. There's not much left of that plant now, but it'll come back even stronger in the spring. But if you're going to do this to your plants, don't do it when you've got a few days of frost coming, because it can get inside your plant and it could kill it. But so far we haven't got any frost predicted for a few days. So now we're in December, there's not much or anything left to see. We've also set up these planters with some pansies, various other plants as well. Due to that weather, some of them have really suffered, but pansies are very resilient. They'll put out new growth and keep flowering right through until spring. And same with this one. And ivy is pretty hard to kill. So we're going to get some nice displays of flowers as we go through winter. As you've just seen, not much or anything going off in that container garden, but we're into December now, so we can't expect to be seeing much of anything. It's good to see that even though we've been having those -4 temperatures, those spring cabbages are doing perfectly fine. But now's the time of year to start doing a bit of tidying, which is why we've cut that raspberry bush back. It's another job done and out of the way, and if you want to, you could put some bubble wrap over the top to protect them, but they are very hard to kill, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. I've done that in the past, and then in spring they've put out fresh growth. But as I said when I was outside, if you've got minus temperatures, don't cut them back, because you don't want that cold getting into that plant and working its way down to the roots, because it could kill it. So apart from that and those cabbages, not much of anything to see at all. But we're making plans now for this coming season. Obviously we're going to go full on again with that container garden, and I'll probably add a few more bits and bobs to it. This is his first year at this caravan doing what we're doing, and I think, considering the results we've had, we've done really well out on it. So I'm all ready to get started. We just need to wait for spring to come around. It is a long, cold winter, so basically we've got what we've got now, and I can't wait to start all over again. If you're interested in seeing what we're going to be doing come New Year, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. Take care and stay warm.